Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the gear shaft oil seal on Hero Honda Splendor. It's the same process with which you can change the gear shaft oil seal of CD Deluxe, Splendor, Passion Pro and almost all the bikes that comes with this engine configuration. So I will show you what happened with the gear shaft oil seal here. If you look underneath the engine, you'll see that the gear shaft oil seal has been damaged and it's been leaking copious amount of oil. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to change that. And here you can see that it's been leaking copious amount of oil. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the gear shaft oil seal of Hero Honda Splendor. So if you're coming here for the very first time, I suggest please like and share this video and do subscribe to my channel guys. So let's start. For getting access to the gear shaft oil seals, you need to first remove the gear lever. For that you can use a 10 mil ring spanner and loosen it up. So now we have to remove right side engine cover. You can use a 8 mm T-spanner to undo these nuts. There will be 3 nuts. Just open these nuts. So that's it. You also need to clean the chain cover and the chain, as you can see here. That will do in a minute. So now you can clearly access the oil seal, and if you see here, you can clearly see that it's been damaged and it's been leaking copious amount of oil. So now let's remove the old one and replace it with the new one. So before that I need to clean everything up. With the screwdriver, just simply pry it out just like this. You will take your time and it need patience. So just like that you can remove. See, it's coming out. Take your time and simply pry it out. With the help of a screwdriver, just simply pry the thing out. Take your time and don't rush, because if you rush it won't come out. So with patience and proper care, just pry it out. It's really difficult to shoot these kind of contents because we have to focus on the engine also, to focus on how to shoot it. So it's been really difficult. So I will keep you guys here. So there you go guys. So the old seal is out guys. This is how you can remove the old one. See. So let's clean the inner surface and install the new seal. Before putting the new oil seal, clean the area with a clean cloth and clean the gear shaft. If you can't access inside the oil seal area, just use a earbud so that it can go in there and clean the area inside. See, it's pretty easy to clean with a earbud. I usually use earbud for these kind of job rather than using a cloth, you know. Clean the gear shaft also before putting the new oil seal. So now it seems clean. So this is the new oil seal, guys. It's an OEM genuine Hero Honda part, and this will cost you around 25 rupees, so it's pretty cheap. Don't go for any aftermarket cheap oil seals, because if you put aftermarket ones, it will fail after 5 or 6 months. So use a genuine one and it will last for at least 5 years. So here it is. So this is a new one, and put some oil and make it well lubricated. Okay, and first don't use any pressure, just press it inside with your hand and try to then use the old one as a cushion. And use all one as a cushion and just beat it all the way inside the groove. It's in. You can see that we fitted it perfectly inside the groove. So guys, this is how you can change a damaged gear shaft oil seal. As you can see, this is the old one, and you guys saw that it's been leaking. So let's start assembling the right side magneto cover, and we'll see you guys. So you guys sit here and enjoy in the time-lapse mode while I do that. So guys, before you put back the magneto cover, try to clean the area as much as you can. As you can see here, I cleaned everything up with diesel properly, and it's clean now. If you're doing a job, do a proper job. If you're opening up the cover, clean the area surface well before putting it back. As you can see here, I also cleaned the cover well, and now you guys sit and enjoy the time lapse here. Hey guys, that's it with this video. We finished our job and I fitted back everything. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you find it informative, share this video and put your thoughts on the comment section. And I'm gonna do a restoration of this bike, and that you'll see in my next video. So stay tuned guys, and thank you for watching. See you guys in some other video. This is Midin saying ciao, bye bye.